Hello everyone and welcome back to Florence. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in a very central position. You can see the Duomo right behind me in Via dei Servi. This is one of the most central streets in the city, which hosts an incredible palazzo. This building is from the 1500s and was the home of Bernardo Buontalenti, a famous engineer, architect and artist of the 1500s, which has also invented the Italian gelato. Today we are going to visit together an incredible apartment which has been fully restored with really high level of standards. It is on the Piano Nobile, so the first floor, considered the noble floor, as it has the highest ceilings in the building and completely frescoed and decorated. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The common areas, as you can see, are in excellent condition. They have been fully restored. There is terracotta floor all over. Beautiful pietra serena stone details, like for example the steps and details around, which is a typical stone from Florence, Tuscany. And then as you look up, you will notice these original arches, tall ceilings and natural light from the internal courtyard. Let's now go to the first floor, the noble floor, and see the apartment. Welcome to the Piano Nobile and first floor of the building. This is the floor with the highest ceilings and the most incredible decors in the whole building. The property is 200 square meters in internal space with 2 bedrooms, each one with its ensuite bathroom and a third bathroom for the service and the common areas. The property has been completely restored, never been used before. All of the appliances, even in the kitchen, the bathrooms, are completely brand new. This is important in an historical building like this, much more than in any other building, because a property like this requires years of restoration and permits to be achieved. Therefore, a place that is completely furnished, all of the furnishings are included in the sale and in the price, and literally turnkey with this level of historical features is really hard to find. Follow me. This floor was lived in by Bernardo Buontalenti. In fact, you can see the level of detail of this room, which is absolutely incredible. The frescoes are in excellent condition. They are pretty much on any wall and ceiling. And even this part where it's missing, it's been recreated with this blend-in effect, which is very nice. The floors are made out of wood and it is in excellent condition. The room has double height ceilings, full of light and beautiful broad spaces. By the way, all of the spaces are air-conditioned and heated with radiators. The systems are brand new. At the center, we find the main living area and the dining space over here. Through this room, we also access to the fully equipped kitchen that is through this door on this side. Let's have a look. The kitchen is fully modernized, nice and spacious, with this steel worktop, very easy to clean and maintain. There is an extractor with a tube that goes outside, gas top over here, oven, and lots of storage. There is storage on this side, below, and on these other parts as well. On the upper part, we also have storage through these cabinets. And through this part over here, we have the dishwasher, which is brand new as well. There is a comfortable cabinet built in on this side for additional storage and a fridge over here. From the main living space, we also find a service powder room through this door, fully updated and full of light. Then there is also a large window right beside it, which gives light from the internal courtyard of the building. And then as we keep going, we find right behind me this entrance part. This is where we came in, and as soon as you walk in, on the left side, you will find the first bedroom of the apartment. Let's have a look. Through this door, we enter to the first bedroom of the apartment. As you can see, it is beautifully spacious, fully furnished with brand new pieces that are all high quality. There is even a huge TV. It is full of light. The bed is on this side. There is a very large window giving lots of natural light from the internal courtyard of the building. And on my left, we access to the ensuite bathroom of the bedroom. Please have a look. By the entrance space, on the right side, we find this other door, which lets us access onto a comfortable storage and laundry area. Then on this other side, before we keep going with the rest of the apartment, I would like to mention and explain how also the unit next door is for sale. It is finished in the very same style, and if one likes to acquire both, you would have over 400 square meters in internal space with an additional 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. In the case of only one unit being purchased, this door will be closed with a wall and they will look completely independent. Next to the main living space and reception area, we find another beautiful room. This can be used as a sitting space, as a TV room, or even set up with a large table to make it into a formal dining area. This room is full of natural light with these 2 huge windows. These are the original windows made out of wood and handmade. They've been modified and the glass has been substituted with double glazed windows, making it original but at the same time excellent for insulation. In this room we find the same beautiful wooden floors, high ceilings, and as you look up, you notice these incredible coffered ceilings, which are also handmade out of wood and on top have been decorated and beautifully painted. From this side of this room, we access through this beautiful detailed paneling onto the second bedroom of the apartment. Let's have a look. As you enter, there is this spacious landing area with a wardrobe in the end, and on this side we find the ensuite bathroom of this second bedroom. It is nice and spacious, fully equipped, also with a nice and spacious shower. Here we have the second bedroom. As you can see, it has beautifully tall ceilings and fully decorated. Imagine laying on the bed every morning and admiring these incredible details. The bedroom is full of natural light with these 2 huge windows. These are overlooking these ancient palazzos outside, and the second window over here opens onto the balcony, which is 1 out of 5 balconies in the whole street. From the balcony you can admire the Duomo. The property also comes included with a ground floor storage space, which is excellent if one likes to keep perhaps a bicycle at the property or needs additional storage. This apartment, I think, is most suitable either for someone that would like a comfortable pied-à-terre in Florence when one comes and visits the city. It is turnkey, ready to move in, fully furnished with high quality furnishings. As well, it can be excellent as an investment. In fact, a property like this can be very profitable for rentals, or as well lived in full-time. The property is of a great medium size. If one needs additional space, there is the neighboring apartment which is the same size, so it would be about 420 square meters in total. And As I mentioned at the beginning, it is important to remember with this kind of historical building that the restoration is a long and time-consuming process which, if found at this level of finishes and completely turnkey, is an incredible added value for a buyer. Please let us know if you have any comments in the comment section below. I will be glad to hear from you. And remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!